Before I even unbox these, I think this is a pair of shoes that everybody should want to have, and I haven't even seen them in hand yet. Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. This is the Air Force One Low. Double white, white on white, triple white, call it whatever you want. This is the most versatile shoe ever. Anyone can wear this to anything, for everything. Wherever they go, however they dress up. The Nike Air Force One is the true word of classic. It never goes out of style. It never goes out of stock. It's available everywhere, mostly for the same price, $99 in US, always. A couple of years ago, $79, but still, $99 is the price for many years. Always in stock. Never go out of style. This is the perfect hype because everybody likes it, everybody approves it, everybody wants it. Everybody should have a pair of Air Force One Low, white, all white in their collection. So there is one problem. The off-the-shelf Air Force One has lately become harder and harder and more uncomfortable and what I call pleather. This is not leather. Well, maybe it counts as leather, but it's more plastic. Ignore the Goyard thing, it's a custom thing. But it's more plastic than it's leather. And the shoe, it actually hurts my foot when I walk in it because the crease that it gets over the toe box cuts right in my big toe. But it looks good. And has always been worth the money. But nowadays, a friend of mine says that the last year, the general releases, not this, but the other general releases Air Force One, has been pretty good quality. But this shoe isn't worth the money anymore. At least here in Sweden, where they cost 110 euro. So when Nike released our Air Force One, called Air Force One 07 Craft, that stands for craftsmanship. When they release a shoe that is everything that we should want to have with Air Force One, with a price bump about roughly 30% more, why shouldn't everybody want that? So this pair of shoe got released in US summer last year. We didn't get it here in Sweden until now. I think now there has been no hype among with these shoes, and they are everywhere in full size range, and nobody cares about them, which I think is silly. This is what I needed. So they are sold out in US, I think, but if you want to order from like sneakers and stuff like I did, they are available in all sizes. I think they are going to go on sale, and when they do that, I'm going to buy me some more pairs and use them to make custom shoes. Oh, this is wonderful. So just because of that, I hope you don't buy them, so they will go on sale. So this is your more or less standard Nike Air Force One Low. Not all white, because we have this suede part that they call gray, but I would call it sail off-white. I have a pair of sneakers here that are used that suede color, and these are called sail white. And to be honest, I could do without that suede in the rear. because I know that my jeans bleeds, the color bleeds. So this part is going to be, oh, it's so soft, long hair suede. This part is going to be dark blue in a while. So I could do with the standard Air Force One in the heel instead. And then we have a tag in the rear that is not straight. That's kind of bad actually, where it says AF1 and the Nike swoosh. And then we have a lace lock that is fluorescent instead of that boring sort of looking steel gray thing. So this was nice with the fluorescent thing. So the leather is perfect. The tumbled leather is perfect. The tumbled printing is maybe a bit much, but this shows that it's soft leather. And we have visible stitching. And they smell leather. Oh my, these were nice. I think that they look maybe a bit odd in the silhouette, but it is the 07 silhouette, so it should look the same. And there are also marks on it. So okay, I'm not super happy with it because the shoes aren't flawless, but once again, sneakers and stuff that are the most expensive with them, they charge me 135 euro. All other places, they are only 110 or 120 euro. I think 120 euro. So that's only 20% more than your standard plastic Nike Air Force One. This is a shoe everybody should want to have and should have in their collection. This is the grown-up Air Force One. I'm really looking forward to wearing these and having them on my feet. So I'm actually going to, because this video won't be, there is a bunch of videos of these already. So I'm gonna wear them today and then end this video with saying what I think about them on foot. But you should really have these. So let me show them up close. So you see the long hair suede, and I just hope that you could smell them. And the tumbled leather. Let me do my pen test. I hope you can hear the difference. This is very nice shoe. And the fluorescent lace lock. So craftsmanship is nice. I had some marks here. Looks like rubber marks. There are some glue residue. The swoosh isn't cut as it should be, but this shoe might as well have been released for $200. And this just shows that Nike can release sneakers this nice for a lower price. I mean, we don't even have this quality leather on most Air Jordans that cost 220 euro. And then we have the crooked heel tab. I think it was on this one. But still, very nice shoe. So pick them up if you want the best Air Force One low released yet, or don't pick them up, at least in my size, so I can buy them on sale in all the shoes that I can find. Because this is a shoe that I hope to wear out and use a lot and make custom shoes of. So now on foot. Just imagine having a zoom insole in these. That would be so nice. The shoes are comfortable. I did not try the Flyknit Air Force One, I think, but this is the most comfortable Air Force One low that I have had on foot. The fitment is actually a little bit snug. I will still go through the size, absolutely. It's just that you can feel that there is a little bit more material in these than your standard Air Force One. So just minor snug. If you wear thick socks, maybe you want to try a different size, but I would say go through the size. One small annoying thing, the lace tip is metallic, so it sounds like this on a lace lock all the time. But of course I can just do something about that. So what a great pair of shoes. I'm so glad that they are not hyped, and I'm so glad that they don't cost $200 or euro. Very nice. I think, as I said before, that the silhouette looks a bit different, and from above I think they look a little bit wider than the Air Force One usually do. But I really don't want to complain about these shoes. They are just wonderful in every way, and I'm glad that they are not hyped. But you should have these. You absolutely should have these in your collection. I said I was going to end this video with a long-term use and say what I think about them after wearing them on all day. But there is no need for that at all. I feel that they are comfortable, nothing odd, they fit me well, and yeah, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you got the shoes, and if you don't, why didn't you? And what do you think about the Air Force One low in general? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, that would be nice, and share. Good night.